Sawadee Krap. More businesses will reopen this June in Thailand. Welcome to Phuket Extra, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. Cinemas, massage parlors, boxing stadiums, and zoos. It's some of the few businesses that are now being fully considered to reopen in Thailand starting June 1st, and it's all part of the third phase of easing of restrictions. The final list of businesses that will reopen next month will be announced later this week, Wednesday or Thursday, but a source has told the Bangkok Post that among the businesses that have a moderate risk of infection slated to open soon, it includes the previously mentioned businesses, in addition to more types of fitness centers, meeting venues, events in hotels, trade exhibitions, zoos, karaoke outlets, skating rinks, and bowling alleys, all on June 1st. Bars and other entertainment venues will remain closed. The easing of restrictions means officials are optimistic that the spread of the virus has either been or can continue to be contained in Thailand. Here in Phuket, local officials conducted an evaluation of businesses between May 17th and May 21st to see which shops were adhering to the new health regulations and social distancing measures. And they say that overall, they found that businesses in Phuket are observing more than 90% of compliance, especially restaurants, beauty salons, and barbershops, as well as wholesale markets, golf courses, and more. They also say that about 70% of people visiting these shops and venues here in Phuket are also registering their attendance through the Thai Chana web portal. And the more businesses that reopen, many will have to use the Thai Chana registration at the entrance. 11.7 million people in Thailand have used the website so far, and in basic terms, this website keeps a record that you were in that shop, and later, if it's found someone was infected while you were there at the same time, you'll get a notice and you'll also get free testing. For more, visit thephuket.news.com. Two more confirmed cases of the novel coronavirus here in Thailand, and one new death as well. The total climbs to 3,042, including cases over the weekend, with one new death. It's a 68-year-old woman who died in Chumpon yesterday and had also suffered from diabetes and kidney failure. One of the new cases is also a woman from Phuket, a Chinese citizen, the wife of an Italian man who was found infected last week, while the other new case is a Thai female masseuse who recently returned to Thailand from Russia last week and is under state quarantine in Chonburi province. Right now, Thai scientists and doctors are working on a vaccine for COVID-19, and a 3-month test on monkeys is already underway this week, and after that, if it all goes right, they hope to recruit 5,000 volunteers for human trials later this year. The vaccine is being jointly developed by Chulalongkorn University, the National Vaccine Institute, the Department of Medical Science, and the private sector. And the director of Chulalongkorn University's initiative in it, he's saying that they hope to produce a viable vaccine for human trials by October, first to be administered to 30 to 50 people for safety, and then to about 500 people to test its ability to activate the immune system. And then the remaining 4,500 human volunteers would test the vaccine's efficacy in preventing COVID-19. None of the names of the businesses or entities in the private sector involved with this project were named in any report. Outraged that her husband remained drinking with a friend instead of repairing an electric fan as she had repeatedly asked, a wife attacked her husband with a bottle, leaving him with a serious gash to his head. Stabs to his chest with the broken bottle also left him with a punctured lung. The incident took place at a workers' camp in Talang on Sunday at about 1 p.m. and rescue workers rushed the 37-year-old husband to Talang Hospital, where it was confirmed that one of his lungs had been punctured. He was taken immediately to the better-equipped Vashida Phuket Hospital in Phuket town. The wife, 31-year-old Chanchita Bungkong, surrendered to police, and during questioning, she explained that she got angry when he hadn't fixed the fan like she had asked repeatedly before, and they got into a fight. She broke a bottle and stabbed him in the chest as well, several times before it was broken up by others. Police have yet to decide which charges she'll face, as it depends on the husband's condition. And that's it for Phuket Extra today, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. For safe, secure, and soundproof windows, visit pvcphuket.com. Thanks again for joining us. We'll be back tomorrow. Until then, stay classy, Phuket.